Some speedlights come with a zoomable flash head. When should you use this feature and what effects it has on your photograph? In this video, I'll tell you about the zoomable flash heads. Here are two images side by side, shot one after the another. In this case, the flash was at camera right and it was positioned at the same distance from the subject in both the instances. In the left image, the zoom head on the flash was set at 20 mm, whereas on the right it was set at 105 mm. So this is the difference of the same flash at the same distance and at the same power, but just with a different zoom head setting. The zoom head setting in the left image was set at 20 mm, which is relatively wide, and hence the entire image is exposed properly, whereas on the right the zoom head was narrowed down at 105 mm, and that's why you can see a concentrated beam of light on the couple, whereas the rest of the frame is into relatively dark area and providing it a natural vignette of some sort. So this is the effect of a zoomable flash head. If you zoom it wide, it will expose the entire frame uniformly, whereas if you zoom it all in, a narrower beam of light will cast an interesting spotlight effect in your photograph, and the sky is the limit. This is a very interesting function to have in a speedlight. So if your speedlight has this function, let me know how you use this function, and please feel free to share the images shot with this zoom head function. I hope you learnt a lot from this video, and I will see you the next time. Till then, take care.